Russian deputies discussed the regulation of the cryptocurrency market. Transparent and understandable regulation of the crypto market is the most effective risk management tool when using digital assets in Russia. This conclusion was reached by the Council under the working group of the State Duma on the regulation of the digital currency industry. Experts are sure that international standards for regulating cryptocurrency transactions have already been developed, which the Russian Federation could borrow. The members of the expert council also believe that the approach of the Ministry of Finance on the issue of digital assets needs to be improved. For example, it is necessary to resolve the issues of regulation of domestic production of cryptocurrencies, the role of financial and credit organizations and the settlement mechanism. In addition, it is necessary to determine how the procedure for identifying and countering the illegal use of virtual assets will take place. At the beginning of this year, Anatoly Aksakov, head of the Duma Committee on the Financial Market, said that deputies could vote for a document that would determine the procedure for regulating the cryptocurrency market as early as this spring session. During the spring session, it is important for us to adopt some kind of legal document that determines the regulation in this market. It is developing too fast, there are too many investors, and it is important to put an end to many issues, especially since the same mining creates problems for consumers' electricity, for local authorities, and in order to at least regulate this issue, it is necessary to make an appropriate legal decision, the deputy noted earlier. According to media reports citing sources, the domestic cryptocurrency market is estimated at about $214 billion, 16.5 trillion rubles. This is data from the Russian authorities that they want to use to develop a plan to regulate the digital currency industry. However, the media do not exclude that the estimate is underestimated due to the fact that many investors do not advertise their activities. Interestingly, back in the fall of 2021, the Central Bank of the Russian Federation estimated the annual volume of cryptocurrency transactions of citizens at $5 billion. Experts came to such conclusions based on the results of a survey of large banks. What do you think? Will the State Duma soon adopt bills related to the regulation of the Russian cryptocurrency market?